Welcome to BigONE Weekly News Update. I'm Sophia. The 36th week of 2025 saw global markets and cryptocurrencies enter a consolidation phase, with mixed signals shaping investor sentiment. While U.S. equities pushed to fresh highs, digital assets experienced both pressure and selective strength. Bitcoin, BTC, slipped by 0.2% to close near $115,200, while Ethereum, ETH, fell 5% to $4,445. Solana, SOL, declined 3.2%, finishing the week at $236. Despite this weakness, altcoin liquidity improved, with standout performers including BNB, boosted by regulatory optimism, surged past $1,000 with an 11% weekly gain. Aster, a Binance-backed perpetual DX project, soared after relisting. IP, Hash, IMEX, NEAR, and WLFI all posted double-digit weekly gains. Overall crypto market capitalization stood at $4.03 trillion, down 0.5% week-on-week, with trading volumes slightly above average. Options markets showed bullish sentiment, particularly after the Federal Reserve's latest move. Federal Reserve cuts rates. On September 17th, the Fed cut rates by 25 basis points, aligning with expectations, and signaled 2 more cuts in 2025. Its projections showed federal funds rate median falling to 3.4% in 2026, unemployment rising to 4.5%, PCE inflation edging up to 3%, GDP growth revised to 1.6%. Despite caution over labor market risks, the environment remains supportive of risk assets. Global markets extend rally. U.S. equities extended their winning streak. S&P with tongue sticking out 500, plus 1.22%. Dow Jones, plus 1.7%. NASDAQ, plus 2.2%. Russell 2000, plus 2%. Meanwhile, 10-year Treasury yields eased to 4.1%, and gold surpassed $3,700 with a 0.5% rise. Ethereum redemptions under pressure. The ETH exit queue lengthened due to Kiln's decision to withdraw validators following a partner API leak tied to Swissborg. Though no ETH losses were reported, the precautionary move has stretched exit wait times up to 45 days. Importantly, ETH in the queue cannot be sold until withdrawal is finalized, limiting short-term selling pressure. Solana leads blockchain buybacks. Solana continues to dominate blockchain application revenues. Since 2025, 1/3 of all token buybacks came from Solana apps. Over the past year, Solana applications have ranked number 1 in fee generation for 11 consecutive months, with cumulative fees exceeding $4 billion in 2025. Hyperliquid alone has bought back $517.3 million worth of hype, accounting for 60% of total blockchain buybacks this year. By September, total blockchain token buybacks reached $860 million, with projections suggesting the full-year figure could exceed $1.2 billion. The week ahead, markets are eyeing key data releases, including U.S. August PCE inflation, the Fed's preferred gauge, September manufacturing PMI from both the U.S. and Europe, speeches from Fed Chair Jerome Powell and voting member Adriana Kugler, U.S. crypto futures expiration. Markets remain in a consolidation phase, balancing optimism from Fed rate cuts and strong altcoin performance against lingering macro risks and Ethereum redemption pressures. With Solana buybacks underscoring sector resilience and U.S. equities at record highs, risk appetite persists, but investors should remain cautious as economic data and Fed signals continue to shape sentiment. Join BigONE today and take advantage of the growing cryptocurrency market.